correct me if I'm wrong, you are regarding Bitcoin more of a hedge as opposed to like a superior investment. Am I right in saying that? Or do you see it
Actually,
as an investment? Is it a great investment or is it a great hedge?
so this is the key point as to why Bitcoin is in my top 5, and was one of the first things I covered after we launched the premium site 2.5 years ago. I immediately covered Bitcoin to stock investors who nobody I'm aware of was covering Bitcoin, for those looking for like an Nvidia position at the time. And I was like, Bitcoin is a really big deal, and it may throw you guys off, but I'm going to make sure you're aware of it, is because the beauty of it is it's both. And so, it's an emerging technology that solves potentially the greatest need and pain point of global populations, which is the financial system, the lack of trust, inflation, things like that. And it's clearly a store of value because we have so many companies adding it to their balance sheets.
Oh yeah.
That would prove to me that it's not just Bitcoin maximists that think Bitcoin is a store of value, but companies are adding it to their balance sheets, and they're probably preparing for, a real bear market. The bear market is inevitable. And the tough part for tech investors is that, for true tech investors, not those that want to like exit and then, say tech is a terrible investment, but like those of us who truly believe 2030 is going to be gangbusters for those who held through any ups and downs, which I include myself in the 2030 crew. Bitcoin will help us get there. It will reduce the pain if it gets tough. And I'm not going to close out of my hard-won positions, so it'll help as a hedge. So that I agree with that, what you're saying. And I think even in bull markets, though, we've seen Bitcoin perform well too, is basically my point. And that the fact it has reclaimed its all-time high every 3.5 to 4 years shows its strength long-term as well.